It's because that, first of all, that all movement is because that is geared and pointing towards the center. As Tao talk about circle with centers, if you can hold on to the centers, circle with centers, everything will be masked, aligned to it. But you can say all circumference aligned to the centers. Why the vertical and the horizontal? Because the vertical and the horizontal is where the change of left and right. The horizontal is where the change of up and down. Alright? But if you say the east and the south, there's one column. But within here, if you're on this side, it's open. There's no change there. There is no change of open or close. Yes, understand?
No, I missed that last.
One quarter between the one quarters is the same.
So from here to here,
It's the same.
It's open the whole time.
Yeah.
Until I get to here.
It's
then-
a close,
okay.
is it?
Yeah.
Because it's the reference that the reference that show, there's a reference point that show the difference. Understand? Now this cross, right? This cross has the left right, right? Or open close, right? And this cross open close. But over here, all is open. There's no reference of open or close here. You see? No doubt you said, oh, no doubt is I'm opening, but you are opening, but you are open. But I'm closing, but you are still open.
Mm-hmm.
It's a different reference from here. Mm. When you cross here, it's closed already. You see? You are closing to close. Or you are opening, but you are not closed. You are not open yet, you are still closed. It's a positioning that make the difference. Yes?
Mm.
Understand now?
Yeah.
You say, why is that you use this? Because it's a reference for open and close. Reference of left and right or up and down.